Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rocha. Welcome to Beauty Banks. In today's video, I'm going to do a product review about this product from Nu Skin. This is their Napka Moisture Mist. I have this in my skincare for a very long time. I do like it. Would I recommend it? Please keep on watching. So this is a product from Nu Skin. This is called Napka Moisture Mist. This is 250 ml, 900 pesos. So Napka Moisture Mist is a conditioning spray that supplies skin and hair with a quick surge of moisture. Packed with natural moisturizing ingredients like napka, hyaluronic acid, and urea, this oil-free formula helps maintain a constant moisture level in your skin while fighting the drying effects of the environment. Count on Napka Moisture Mist for a fresh and healthy appearance. Direction: just spray generously on the face, hair, and body whenever you need a refreshing moisture boost. And key ingredients: it has aqua, glycol, glycerine, aloe, urea, glycine, niacinamide, lactic acid, citric acid, and sodium hyaluronate. It's a good ingredients here. I've been using this for months and months, and what I like about this is the mist is very see, like that very tiny, guys. And the packaging, okay, so they really did a good job with the nozzle. We need to get that fine texture on here so it can spread all over the face. What I like about this is on the face and my body. And I was shocked about it actually in my body because I have snake legs. My skin texture on my legs is not that great. I have that snaky texture, and I use a lot of like products there to really like moisten that, or like to give some moisture on my legs. And really, this really surprised me, guys, because it does help. And the most important ingredient that I really like about this, actually two, but one is my love. Okay, this has niacinamide, so it helps with skin texture. If you are using it for your face, it would help with your pores, minimizing it over time. It's not like a one-time use you can see the difference. No, you need to use it several times, like months and months, until you can see improvement on the face. For my pores, it doesn't really give me that kind of effect, but it does help with moisturizing my skin, helping with like my fine lines and my texture area. Does help. The niacinamide helps. And the key ingredients really here is also it also has aloe, which is really good for smoothing the skin, right? Soothing it. That's really good. And also it has the other one that I'm really liking is urethra, I think. Yeah, urea. So that's the key ingredients that I like about it in a skincare: niacinamide, urea, diba? So that one is really good, and it has aloe. So yes, 900. I know it's a very hefty price for it. For the skin benefits that it gets to your skin, I think it's worth it. And you cannot really consume so much about this, guys, because the nozzle, the spray is too tiny. It's fine, and it does really spread to your skin like very nicely, so it's very moisturizing. So let's just have a demo. Okay, see, look at that, right? It's very moisturizing. See, I do really like it. The smell, the fragrance is also nothing, guys. What I like about a product: no smell, no fragrance. And because, you know, chemicals, the more chemicals you get, bad thing happens with, you know, fragrance and such, and any other chemicals. So I really wanted a product that doesn't have it, and this is really good. So as you can see that, very time fine mist and very easy to apply, and it absorbs to the skin so easily and fast. Yes, that's it. I use this a lot, you know, makeup, under makeup, after makeup. Let's do it after makeup. See? This has a lot of usage for me. It doesn't make your makeup flat, you know, just refreshing. And if you need to, like, at the end of the day, you feel like so you're tired at work and you need to like freshen your face, this you can really use it, guys. So many usage. This I would really recommend. I think for their product that I'm really like use from your skin, I think this has a lot because you can use it every day, not only for my face. I also use it for my hair, diba? Oh, hair la, punuin natin, guys, like that. Yeah, no matter what. See, it doesn't ruin your makeup. It helps with your hair, your body, your skin. Do I recommend it? What you think? Skin, body, hair, makeup. What you think? Would I recommend it? Of course naman, guys. The product itself is really nice and it can give you skin benefits. So this is a winner for me in my book. I would highly recommend it to you guys. So check it out, try it out yourself. If you have any questions, let me know. Comment down below. I will give you my thoughts about it. If any other means that if there's any concerns that you may have about the product or something, or how to purchase it or how to buy it, just leave your comment. I will help you out. Okay, so I think this will be my review about this product from Nu Skin. I hope this helps, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also hit that notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time I make a new upload. And also like this video, share it if you can. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye.